In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ChatGPT Atlas app to efficiently summarize a YouTube comment section. This app is particularly useful if you want to get a quick understanding of viewers' opinions or the general sentiment surrounding a video. So, let's dive right in and explore this step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to open the ChatGPT Atlas app on your device. This app serves as a powerful tool that leverages the capabilities of OpenAI's language model, providing you with a range of possibilities for content interaction and analysis. Make sure you've logged in to access its full functionalities, but remember to keep your login credentials secure. Once the app is up and running, the next step is to navigate to a website you'd like to explore. For this example, imagine we're interested in a popular tech review, such as Unbox Therapy's take on the brand new iPhone 17. Head over to YouTube using your usual web browser and find that video. As you're likely aware, this is where the magic of ChatGPT Atlas's ability to analyze user-generated content really begins to shine. Now that you have the video open, turn your attention to the sidebar of the ChatGPT Atlas application. You'll see an option specifically for interacting with the site's content, aptly named Ask ChatGPT. Click on this, and the app will prepare to facilitate an in-depth analysis or summarization based on your input. The next step involves crafting a suitable prompt for the chat model to work with. Since we're focused on distilling insights from the comment section, think about what kind of information you're looking for. In this scenario, you'll create a prompt like, "Summarize the YouTube comment section on this page." This simple yet precise prompt will direct the app to focus solely on the comment section, encapsulating the diverse range of viewpoints, praises, critiques, or questions posed by the viewers of the video. Once your prompt is ready and you're satisfied with its clarity and intention, the final step is to click on Submit. This action will queue your request, allowing ChatGPT to process and analyze the comment section. Within moments, you'll receive a comprehensive summary that captures the essence of audience sentiment surrounding the review. As a tip, remember that the quality and brevity of your prompt can significantly impact the results you get back. Being clear and concise will typically yield the most accurate and useful summaries. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can leverage ChatGPT Atlas to quickly glean insights from vast amounts of online feedback, making your exploration of content both efficient and thorough. Thank you for watching, and happy summarizing.